Looking to install a new aftermarket stereo without the hassle? Scotia's Car Stereo Dash Kit lets you do just that, seamlessly and professionally. Designed to fit perfectly in your vehicle's factory location, it delivers a clean, gapless finish that blends right in with your dash's color and texture. I've seen plenty of dash kits that don't quite match the original dash, leaving awkward gaps or mismatched colors. Scotia nails it with high-quality automotive-grade ABS construction that feels durable and looks factory-installed. The precision design means you won't have to worry about awkward gaps or uneven edges. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. No special tools are needed, and the kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions. Even if you're not a car audio pro, you can get your new stereo in place quickly and confidently. That ease of installation alone makes this kit a smart choice. What sets Scotia apart is their commitment to quality and customer support. For 40 years, they've been crafting reliable car stereo accessories, wiring harnesses, and installation kits trusted by drivers nationwide. When you buy a Scotia product, you're backed by a lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support, meaning help is just a call away for as long as you own the product. One user who installed this kit on a 2005 Nissan 350Z mentioned it fits great, with only minor adjustments needed on the mounting posts. The bezel could be a bit cleaner, but it's hardly noticeable once installed. This kind of real-world feedback shows the kit performs well in everyday use. If you want a dash kit that looks factory fresh, fits like a glove, and comes with solid support, Scotia's installation kit is worth a look. It's designed to make your upgrade simple, reliable, and visually seamless, exactly what you want when enhancing your car's audio setup. Ready to give your vehicle a professional stereo upgrade? Try Scotia's Car Stereo Dash Kit when you're ready. With its precise fit, durable build, and lifetime backing, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about quality and ease of installation.